Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming back. If you're new to my channel, this is the first time coming across my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel if this is the kind of content you would love to watch. Here I do DIY videos that can help you to grow your hair using natural ingredients. So for our hair growth recipe, we are going to be needing one and only ingredient, which is okra. As you can see here, I have some okra that I'm going to be using to make the treatment. So before I proceed, I'm going to make sure that the okra are clean. So I'm going to transfer them to a bowl and I'm going to wash them. Make sure to wash your okra before using them. Usually okra contains some dust particles if you buy them from your local market. As you can see, mine is really dirty, so I'm just going to wash them 2 times in order to make sure that they are thoroughly clean. After I'm done washing them, I'm going to be cutting them into smaller pieces. Okra is beneficial for our hair and can be used to prevent scalp and hair dryness. If you experience hair dryness and you have flaky scalp, including okra to your hair care routine will help to provide hair softness as well as maintaining moisture on your scalp. So okra contain mucilage, which helps to soften your hair as well as helping to, detangle your hair while helping to maintain moisture balance. So you should consider including okra to your hair care routine if you experience such condition. So when I'm done cutting the okra, now I added them to a pot, and after adding to the pot, I'm going to be adding 2 cups of water, and after that I'm going to cover and transfer to a stove for cooking. Now the okra has already started boiling and the gel has started forming. I'm going to keep stirring for about 5 minutes. You don't need to overcook them because you end up destroying important nutrients. So just 5 minutes will be enough. So I went ahead and removed okra from heat after cooking and allowed them to cool down for some time. Right now I'm going to be straining out the okra gel. Hope you guys are enjoying this video up to this point, and if so, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed. In this channel I do DIY videos that can help you to grow your hair using natural ingredients. Now this is how the okra gel is looking after straining out. Next I'm going to be putting some in this separate bowl, and after that I'm going to transfer it to an applicator bottle and I'm going to keep it aside for later use. I'm going to go ahead and transfer the okra to a blender, and after that I'm going to be adding the okra gel we kept aside and I'm going to blend them into creamy. After blending, I'm going to go ahead and strain out the gel, and I'm going to be using a wig cup. Just use anything with tiny holes. Use a cheesecloth, a wig cup, or a piece of cloth in order to make sure that your gel is free from germs, because if you don't strain out nicely, then you are going to experience difficulties when trying to detangle your hair. So as you can see, the wig cap doesn't strain out nicely the way I expected, and I'm going to be straining out the second time. I'm going to be using my piece of cloth. This piece of cloth strains out really nicely without leaving any particle. So that's why I was saying that you need to use something with very tiny holes. So if you guys are still watching this video up to this point and yet you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing, and also please consider giving this video a like if you're enjoying it. So after straining out, this is how the treatment looks. Now it's smooth, there is no any particle left. Now I'm going to be transferring to this applicator bottle so I can be able to apply nicely on my hair. So just stay tuned and watch to the end as I'm going to be showing you how to apply on my hair. My hair is clean. I have washed it right now and it is still wet. So I'm not going to be needing any water to hydrate my hair, as I always like to use water-based product to hydrate my hair before applying any mask. So first I'm going to unravel the first section and I detangled it a little bit, and after that now I'm applying the treatment, saturating my hair from the roots moving towards the ends. Once I apply the treatment, I make sure to use my fingers to finger detangle and to make sure that each single hair strand is well coated. I always like to finger detangle my hair all the time I'm doing any application, and this method has really helped me. I don't experience unnecessary breakage as I used to, and also my hair has started retaining length. I'm really happy about the outcome. So if you want to retain length and if you want to avoid unnecessary breakage, then you should consider finger detangling your hair anytime you are doing any application. So once I'm done with one section, I move to the other section and do the same. Repeat the same process, apply the treatment, then finger detangle. And after that, I like to twist my hair back after the application and proceed to the other sections until I complete each one of them. This treatment helps to provide softness as well as helping to hydrate your hair. So if you struggle with hair dryness and you want to soften your hair naturally, then including okra gel to your hair will be amazing because your hair will be softer than never before. The okra gel is also amazing for helping to detangle your hair. So if you struggle with knots and tangles when detangling your hair, then you need to be using okra gel so that it helps to provide hydration and softness as well as softening knots and tangles. So once I'm done applying the treatment to all sections of my hair, I'm going to be applying the rest of the treatment to my edges in order to make sure that they are well coated. And after that, I'm going to be using a plastic cap to cover my hair, and I'm going to leave the treatment for 45 minutes. Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if so, please go ahead and give it a like and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed, and also turn on the bell notification so you always be notified each time I upload a new video. Bye, see you in the next.